Cookies or chicken nuggets? Break your phone or like this video. Eat macaroons with cheese or eat corn with cheese. Never have kids or have kids with the first person that comes up when you click share and more. Live without pizza or live without burger. Eat chocolate or eat waffles. Tag a friend, and he will have diarrhea or reject the offer. Always eat spicy food or always eat sweet food.